was in it. Damn, shit. Oh. I'll go to the top part of it.
The bottom of the tire.
Then here it's starting to pull down.
About 60, 75. What? Alright, I'm 1 for 1.
I've never been on a low-rider hydraulic motorcycle.
Really?
Every time
She was going to today, but
every time I tell Richie, I'm like, brother, come on, let's go cruising. Oh, I'm busy. Oh, I'm gone. And my field doesn't bring this shit.
Get busy, yeah. Load it up and get busy.
I think that truck's gonna blow everybody away.
I was looking for the light. That should be like.
Probably what?
Brother, sit up for a second. Okay. Rocks are like all
You don't have to.
So how come all of them have like that black and green out of the
That's a power cord. Disconnect that. To release what if there's anything that blows up or catches on fire, you disconnect that.
So now that you have that shit on there, like the speed baby, that's what you advertising for? You got the hydraulic company and the juice.
and then he's also got black magic. So they may use white magic.
Hello.
When he gets a discount,
We're at the hopping contest. All the way towards the front, like where we came in. The second car's coming in right now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, there's the change. That's the change I'm talking about. That way the cylinders don't go out. This one's gonna hit. Are you gonna come over here? Okay, we're sitting like right in the front. Well, we kind of snuck up to the front. Okay. Okay, bye. Oh yeah. When it's high up in your ass like that, this shit's gonna
Chain broke.
Chain came out.
Chain broke.
You do your chain, homie. Or is it done? It's done. Oh man.
That shit would have bounced hella high.
Oh, this fool gets off.
Chain busted.
Go for it.
Anyway.
There you go. He gonna do it.
He's gonna go for it.
He gonna do
He's
it.
hooked up on one side still.
He's leaking some shit though.
Is this the bolt?
The chain, he broke the whole chain completely.
No, just one bolt.
Busted off.
You're gonna lose it. Great.
Yeah.
You're gonna lose
Cylinder's
that
ready to pop out.
Gotta give him a talk to that.
I mean, if you know how to fix it,
Yeah, actually, I was better than Adam Hall.
Man, he got a
But that chain broke. So this guy, yeah, it was messing up.
yeah.
think that yellow thing is kind of good, but I mean, I would be the same way. Like, if I had things like that, I would never. Like, you feel like that yellow thing?
No, that thing looks like a Chevy, no?
But that?
Okay, we're at the car. Okay, the sun's against my back.
Why are they doing like that?
They're A-frames.
Oh. But it's cool to drive it with your wheel like that?
Hold up. Do you see
Yeah, they're not apart.
Damn, this shit keeps dying.
It's just a hopper.
If his chain don't break.
I see you. Stay right there.
How come they don't let them have their cars and shit running beforehand?
It's just a hopper. He probably don't drive it, he just hops it.
A lot of these guys who just tow the vehicle.
I told Nelly, I was like, I want to do this shit. She looked at me and she's like, yes, we got young recruits. She's the only female in your guys' division that has her own car?
I like that. Division.
Whatever. You know what? Ew. No, dude, you're disgusting.
Hey, there's a girl.
Wait, is she the only female?
Way up. Whoa. All the time.
All right.
Come on.
That's just releasing the pressure out.
I'm gonna have the luxurious shit stand on my knees. You coming back with me? Oh, you need a picture.